Old MacDonald had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O, with the buck buck here and buck buck there. Here a buck, there buck, everywhere buck buck. Old MacDonald had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. Right. 5 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 and 4 little ducks came waddling back. 4 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but 3 little ducks came waddling back. 3 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but 2 little ducks came waddling back. 2 little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but 1 little duck came waddling back. 1 little duck went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, 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 but no little ducks came waddling back. All right, friends, help me out. Quack, 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 and 5 little ducks came waddling back. All right, friends, our birds are back and ready to do the rest of our day. Here we go. Right, I'm gonna get my little friend here, Mr. Owl. Are you ready? Willabee, wallaby, washika, an owl sat on a shika. Willabee, wallaby, wamarian, an owl sat on a Marian. Willabee, wallaby, warissa, an owl sat on Marissa. Willabee, wallaby, wanimba, an owl sat on Kanimba. Willabee, wallaby, wallia, an owl sat on Talia. Willabee, wallaby, wallix, an owl sat on Alex. Willabee, wallaby, wolfia, an owl sat on Sophia. Willabee, wallaby, Washton, an owl sat on Ashton. Willabee, wallaby, Wasman, an owl sat on Jasmine. Willabee, wallaby, Wasteel, an owl sat on Castile. Willabee, wallaby, Win, an owl sat on Quinn. Willabee, wallaby, Wason, an owl sat on Grayson. Willabee, wallaby, Warlet, an owl sat on Charlotte. Willabee, wallaby, Wasker, an owl sat on Oscar. All right, friends, let's go to our calendar here and see where we're at. We're getting really close to the end of our numbers on our calendar. So, we're gonna give me an A, give me a P, give me an R, give me an I, and give me an L. I hope you got it by now because our month is almost over. It was called April. April. And we're almost to the end of our month. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, number 29. There we go, friends. All right. Number 29, Wacky Wednesday. Have a good day. See you at story time.
Bark, 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 bark. Bark, bark, bark.